Certified. 2021 Nissan Rogue SL AWD Super Black Nissan Certified Pre-Owned Details, 7 years/100,000 miles limited warranty, coverage for engine, transmission, transfer case, and drivetrain 167-point inspection to qualify vehicle history report fix or repair items that don't pass or meet CPO standards special APR financing for well-qualified buyers lube/oil/filter change tires and brakes 50% or more full exterior/interior appearance reconditioning courtesy transportation 24-hour roadside assistance Sirius XM trial subscription. Service performed by Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 mile synthetic oil change PG engine performance restoration it dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup PG advanced formula W/MOA stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish winter service special, fuel injector treatment, fuel system dryer and coolant system additive replaced air filter replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies new wiper blades brake fluid service replaced all old fluid optional equipment, auto high beam headlights, heated seats, heated steering wheel, leather appointed seat trim, power lift gate. KBB fair market range high, 1,660 odometer is 5,174 miles below market average 25/32 city/highway mpg.